Nevis again, I'm in as a student. I'm just going to show what happens when a teacher makes a comment on a document and wants you to take it back and resubmit. So I'm going back to this getting acquainted, which I thought I had completed. I'm going in to check to see if the teacher has given me any comments on it or has returned it with a mark. So I'll open it. And I noticed that there's a comment from the teacher saying that the document is not completed. Please take it back and resubmit. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to take it back and I'm going to open the document, fix it up, complete it, and then submit again. So let me do that quickly. Submitting it again. And I can actually write a message to the teacher, okay, and publish it. So now the teacher will be able to see that note. And now all I have to do is wait for my mark. So now I will check to see if the teacher has given me a mark. I'll open it up again. Oh, there it is there. I now have a mark. It's been returned. I can go and check it to see it, and I can send it in again if I want to. That's it. That's how easy it is. Thank you for listening. See you in class.